So as I've been doing this, all I've been thinking is, why? But when I see that, I go like, damn, that's why. But when you're doing this, you're like, I don't want to do this. All I needed to do to this car back then was just put an engine in it, and it would have been fine. Yeah, the paint would have been iffy, but I didn't need to bring it all the way down to this. And now I understand why no body shop took this job on. It's just too many damn hours, work hours. Like this little section here, it's about an hour, about an hour, about an hour. So you gotta break that down. And this is on one person. Yeah, I mean, this is all we could do while we wait for parts to come. You sit here, and just like that. Put some grease in. And then you find things like that. So you get a 320, right? Kind of make sure you're not hitting anything else. So you fold this up. And you work it down. So like that. You can see we got a lot of that going on here. And then you find something like that. And again. Smoothing it out. There you go. Takes a lot of time, but that's the look we're going for. Break down that high spot. If you can't feel it, but you could kind of see it, but it's not a high and low, you should be good. And the most difficult thing is when you look at something like this, you're like, oh, that's ready. That's good to go. But you run your finger or your hand across it, and that's smooth. But then you come down here, and you get these little tiny, like, I don't know, grittiness to it. That shows, as we learned from the engine bay. So all that has to be smooth also. And I found the best way is, forget about the Scotch pad, grab a 320, not too much, don't put too much into it. Just run it back and forth. Oh, we got a little spider in here. Run it back and forth, up and down. And then you get a nice smoothness to it. So all that texture feeling you're getting, like the camera's not picking it up, but right here, is it gonna pick it up? Well, you can kind of see it now. There's a texture feeling here. All that has to be nice and smooth, like right here. This is just dust. Now you don't want this. Now you see my struggles. That's why I say, I don't know if I would redo this. And for the people who do have race cars that are fully built, cages, painted, inside looking perfect, that either costed a lot of money, a lot of time, and is very respectful. I have a new appreciation for cars like that, that's for sure. For today, and I've been wearing a mask while doing this, because you can see this is pretty bad. This section here, all the way to pretty much right there is done except for the wheel well. So this took about 3 hours. We'll see.